Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 9 and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard's theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and choose Additional Settings. Then Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards and Settings. Go into Theme, scroll down and tap on Show More to see all available options. After that, you can download an image and apply it, or pick a color and apply it as well. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!